So how is this restaurant? Can you speak in English?
Yes, it is very beautiful and it is neat and clean, and the resort is very nice, and also the foods are very delicious and also yummy, and there are AC, central AC, and also nice tables. Thank you.
And what can you see around you?
There are lot of people around me, and there are many.
There is artificial lake.
Yeah, it is not artificial.
It's not. It's artificial.
No.
The lake is artificial.
No.
No. It was not here. They made it.
Oh yeah, it is.
So if people make it, that is called artificial.
Yeah.
If God make it, that calls, natural.
Yeah.
If Almighty Allah makes anything, that is called natural. If people make anything, that is called called artificial. Artificial মানে হচ্ছে কৃত্রিম, যেটা মানুষ বানায়, আর ন্যাচারাল হচ্ছে গড গিফটেড, যেটা আল্লাহ প্রদত্ত তৈরি করা।